If I had to start TikTok Shop completely from scratch in 2026, I wouldn't start by creating content. And honestly, doing that today would make TikTok Shop 10 times harder than it needs to be. TikTok Shop is not the same platform it was 6 months ago. It was a lot easier for beginners. They could post a video, go viral, and make money overnight. But right now, because of this massive algorithm change, TikTok is prioritizing big creators. So if you're starting by creating content, you're basically playing TikTok Shop on hard mode. I've been in the TikTok Shop space since day one. I've generated over $1.5 million GMV, and I've coached dozens of beginners. And if I had to start from zero in 2026, I would skip creating content and I would go straight into going live. So in this video, I'm gonna break down the exact strategies step by step that I would use if I was starting from scratch in 2026 and why going live is 10 times easier as a beginner. All right, before I actually get into the strategy, I want to quickly explain to you how the algorithm used to work and how the algorithm works now, because it's not the same algorithm. And if you want to find success as a TikTok Shop affiliate, you want to understand the algorithm so it puts you in a position to find success right away, especially as a beginner, because before, any beginner could post a video, go viral, and make a ton of money. But right now, it became a more of a pay to play platform, which means if brands want views, they need to pay for it. It's not free anymore like it used to be. This changes everything. And like I mentioned before in the beginning of the video, it prioritizes big creators, making it a lot harder for beginners to find success. Let me explain why and how this algorithm works, this pay to play algorithm. This is GNV Max. This is TikTok's AI advertising platform. So how it works is basically a brand has all of these videos, right? All of these videos these creators are posting for this brand, right? And what the advertising platform does is it spends a little here, it spends a little here, it spends a little here. And the whole purpose of this platform is to see which video is making sales and then spend more money on that video, right? And this is the big problem, because as a beginner, your video is probably not going to get any sales. So it just dies before even reaching 1,000, 2,000 views. It basically doesn't really give a chance for new creators, because all of that spend is going to big creators, because as soon as they post a video, it gets a few sales and it just keeps getting sales, and the advertising platform keeps spending on those big creators' videos. This is why as a complete beginner, it doesn't make sense to create content, because you're playing TikTok Shop in hard mode, because you're competing with all of these big creators that are getting most of that spend. This is why doing TikTok Shop lives as a complete beginner is so much easier, and you can find success a lot faster. If you try to create content competing with all of these big creators, it could take you 3-4 months to learn the skills. But with TikTok lives, it's a completely different algorithm. You could start making money a lot faster because you're not competing with all of these big creators. The TikTok Shop live algorithm is completely different. It only cares about if you're getting engagement and if you're making any sales, which means if you find the right products and you use proven scripts, I don't see why you won't be able to make TikTok Shop lives work. And I'm gonna go over the strategy right now. All right, so in order to do TikTok Shop lives, you need an account with 5,000 followers, which will get you eligible for the TikTok Shop affiliate program, right? There are two very simple ways that you could do it. You could grow one organically, meaning that you just post random videos, you post AI content, funny skits, whatever it is, just to get to 5K followers to get accepted to the program. You could do it organically, but it's going to take you weeks, if not months. What I suggest is just buy an account from a trusted supplier. If you want my trusted supplier, just DM me the word supplier on Instagram and I'll just connect you guys and I could get you a super huge discount. Now, once you have an account with 5K followers, you get accepted to the program we move on to product selection, which is one of the most important part of this entire strategy, because if you don't pick the right types of products, then you're just going to be wasting hours, weeks of your time promoting a product that will never get you sales, right? This is a very small criteria that I look for when picking products for lives. Does it have proven demand, and does it have low competition? This is important, the low competition. Why? Because, so let's say a product has 200,000 units sold already. That means so many affiliates have been going live with this product already. You don't want to compete with them because they've been going live for weeks. They already dominated that product. So you want to position yourself in a different way. Find a product that has proven demand but low competition, so you have a better chance to get all of those views, right? And that being said, you also want to find a product that has a broad audience. You want it to appeal to so many different people, because then there's a wider market of people that would actually buy that product, right? So the next criteria is flash sale. Can the brand provide me with the extra flash sale coupon that I could use within my lives? Not every brand offers this, but if you have connections with the brands, you can get that flash sale. And what does that do for you as a live seller? You can get a sale because you have an extra discount that that other live seller doesn't have, right? So you can still find success with lives without the flash sale, but it just gives you a bigger opportunity to make more money because you have the coupon and the other live streamers don't. This is why it's important that you have connections with these brands in order to get those flash sales, because not everybody gives them out. I have an agency and I'm able to have a relationship with all of these brands to get these flash sale deals for all of my students. So you're probably thinking in your head right now, Osher, how do I find these winning products to go live with? And I'm going to show you a completely free and easy way to guarantee that you find these winning products so you can make so much money as a live streamer. And it's just by using your phone and a TikTok app. So what you're going to do is pull up the TikTok app on your phone right now. And you're going to notice a shop icon on the top and the bottom of your screen. Click on the shop icon and you're going to notice a bunch of products here, a bunch of videos, and a bunch of people going live. What you want to do is join that live session. Once you click that live session, see if this product has proven demand, low competition, and a broad audience. As you can see, this product right here, I could already tell that it has proven demand based on it having 600 people on this live, right? And let's see if it has low competition. How do you check that? By just clicking the product and look, 7,300 units sold. That probably means that not a lot of people are promoting this product. Now, it also appeals to a broad audience, which is great. Another way to see if it has proven demand, just stay on this live stream for a couple of seconds and you're going to notice that it's going to have a badge right there on the top. Right now it says 2 users are viewing this product. What you want to see is how many people purchased from this live right now. So if you stay a little bit longer, you're going to notice and it's going to start popping up. Give it a few seconds. You have to really stay on this live for a little bit longer. While we wait for that, as you can see, he has a live flash sale. If you take a look at the bottom, live flash sale. And boom, 95 people purchased from this live stream right now. This is a winning product. I would literally order this product right now and I would promote it. Let's keep on scrolling, try to find a few more products and products that I wouldn't promote, right? As we keep scrolling, like you could do this all day and find so many winning products. Just look at the criteria. If it has a bunch of orders, 100, 200,000 units sold, that's already proven that it's a high competition and I wouldn't join it. You want to find something that has proven demand with low competition. It's going to give you a better chance of actually succeeding, right? So now that we found a proven winning product with low competition, proven demand, and a broad audience, let's move on to the scripting part, right? So I want to go back to this live stream right now and I want to take note of what this script, what is he using? Why is it working so well? And for a script to be a great script, It has to have you saying the features, the benefits, proof that people are buying, scarcity, and urgency, right? I want to make sure that all of these boxes are checked within the script. And what you want to do simply is just pull out a document and just take note of what he's saying in his script and just write it down, right? Because if he's using it, he's getting sales on his live, you could use it as well. And what you could also do is find other people going live with this product and look at their script and combine the two together to make it your own script, right? So let me quickly explain what all of this is. So basically the feature is just talking about what the product actually does, the benefits of using these features. Then you could go into proof people are buying. So every time somebody purchases during the live, you could say something like, hey, congratulations, Bob, for making your purchase. Woohoo, congratulations. You made a great investment in yourself. Like stuff like that, right? Scarcity is basically using these flash sales that I mentioned before, showing how, listen, the flash sale is almost over. There's only a couple units in stock. I would grab them before they sell out again. So scarcity and urgency come hand in hand. Literally just telling people, listen, the flash sale is almost over. I only have 5 units for this low of a price. If you want to grab them now, because if you don't purchase within this live, then you will never be able to purchase ever again for this low of a price. So your main purpose with TikTok lives is basically just selling the sale. That's it. Showing them how this is on sale right now and they need to purchase it. And of course, showing them how there's features and how there are benefits of using this product, right? Very simple script, just repeating the same thing over and over again and testing out different scripts to see what works for that product, right? So now once you have a winning product, you have a winning script, how do you scale past the 5K, 10K months? So there are 3 ways to do this. And the first way is increasing commission. This is basically just telling the brand owner, hey, I've been doing very well on your lives and I would love for you to increase my commission by 5 to 10%. This is huge and it can make a huge difference. Let's say you're selling a product for $20 and the commission is 10%. You're making $2 per sale. But let's say same product, $20, and you get 20% commission. That's $4 each sale. Let's say you're selling 1,000 units. That's $2,000 profit. But here you're making $4,000 profit. You're making $2,000 profit more just because you have a chance to get 10% commission increase. This is so powerful, right? And how do you get increased commission? You need relationships with these brands. And that's exactly what my agency does. And all of my students get increased commissions once they start scaling, which is very powerful. And that brings me to retainer pay. You could get paid from these brands $50 an hour, $100 an hour just to go live. Even if you're not making sales on the live, you have a retainer pay that's guaranteed for you to make $300-$400 a day, right? Just by going live. This is extremely powerful. And this is what's going to separate a live streamer making $10,000-$20,000 every single month than someone that's just making like a couple of $1,000s, right? This is the scaling phase and you can make a lot more money with increased commission and retainer pay. And not only that, once you get comfortable with going live, then you could start making videos and that's going to amplify your lives while making money with commissions as your videos grow, right? So this is it, a step-by-step blueprint that you could follow in 2026 if you're starting from complete zero and you want to make quick money as a TikTok Shop affiliate. I would start by doing live streams and I would start by following the system step by step, right? Now, if you want to join my one-on-one mentorship and my agency where we select all of these winning products for you, we write the scripts for you, then we get you increased commission deals and retainer pay so you know that you're making consistent sales live streaming. And most importantly, we're getting you those flash deals so you have a huge advantage going live instead of all of these other live streamers that don't have the flash sale. There should be a link in the description. book a call and we'll see if we're a good fit to work together. This is the only blueprint that you need, and it's the fastest and easiest way to hit your first 5 to 10K month as a TikTok shop affiliate. Peace. I'll see you in the next video.